Hey guys, what's up? This is Vishi here and you're watching Nixapian. I'm going to be telling you the story of the bubble wrap in this video. The bubble wrap was invented by two engineers, Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavannes. The primary purpose of inventing bubble wrap was not to use it as a packaging material, but they thought to use it as a wallpaper, a form of textured wallpaper. They took two shower curtains and sealed it in such a way so that air bubbles were trapped in between, which would give it a textured appearance. But this idea didn't sell well, and this idea was dropped very soon by the two. The next use they wanted bubble wrap to be used as was greenhouse insulation. Even though bubble wrap itself is a good material to be used as greenhouse insulation, it didn't gain much popularity and it was a failure too. After 3 years, they met a person who was in marketing, and his name was Frederick W. Bowes. He got the idea to use bubble wrap as a packaging material. At that point of time, in 1959, the IBM 1401 was a very popular computer, and he met the IBM executives and told them that the bubble wrap could be used as a packaging material for transporting their 1401s very safely, and it could also be used to transport other delicate parts produced by the IBM. This was a great idea and IBM too accepted it. So this is where the story of bubble wrap begins. People were so much amused with the use of bubble wrap as a packaging material. It was so effective in protecting the delicate and fragile items. It didn't allow anything to break at all. So this was a great idea, and this is where the bubble wrap business started to boom. The two engineers didn't start with anything when they started producing the bubble wrap. But now, the company that produces bubble wrap makes about $4 billion per year just by selling the bubble wraps. One common misconception about the production of bubble wrap is that it is made by a machine that inflates the plastic sheets and then seals the bubbles separately. But it is not made in such a way. It is made by sealing two plastic sheets in a way so that air bubbles get trapped in between it. One of the downsides of using bubble wrap is the amount of space it takes up. So, an alternative to this was to create the bubble wrap at the packing site itself. They were selling a type of plastic that could be inflated where it was needed, so the packaging size decreased drastically. You can tell whether the bubble wraps you use are packed at source like this, like the original method of packing, or inflated when they were required. If it was inflated when it was required, if you just pop one, everything will go off in that single line. But if it was made at source using the original method of producing it, even if you pop one, the others won't go out. That's it guys. If you like the video, do subscribe to Nixapian. This is Vishi signing off.